In today's video, I'll be showing you how to take a scrolling screenshot on your Google Pixel 8. So first, what you want to do is open a web page or a page that has a long page. So for example, let me open up something like Wattpad, and you'll notice that it's a scrolling page, which means it's a long page, and I want to take a screenshot. So what you want to do is capture a normal screenshot using the side key and the volume down button. So take the screenshot. Then here, next to the thumbnail of the screenshot, you should see the share, edit, and the capture more option. So what you want to do is select capture more. Then you'll be brought a whole page. So this highlighted area is the normal screenshot, and to add more to make it a scrolling screenshot, what you want to do is drag this button here all the way down, capturing the whole page. So as you can see, now that the whole thing is highlighted or covered in these black lines, it means that I've captured the whole page. So to save it, just tap on save. And then to find it, you need to go back to the home screen, open photos, go to library, and then you should see the option screenshots. So tap on this folder here and then look for your scrolling screenshot. So here you'll see your new scrolling screenshot. You've taken the full page. You can choose to share it, edit it, view it through Google Lens, or you can also delete it. You can add it to favorites, edit it, whatever it is what you want to do. Thank you for watching. Questions and comments down below, and we'll get back to you.